The Kama Sutra carries a global reputation as an ancient manual dedicated to the physical mechanics of intimacy. This diagram illustrates the gap between perception and reality. Modern audiences typically assume the entire text is contained within this isolated sliver of physical instructions. In reality, those specific techniques represent a small fraction of the actual ancient work. The physical evidence, the surviving birch bark manuscripts, reveals the fragility of the preserved Sanskrit characters. The text functions as an encyclopedic, strictly organized blueprint of ancient Indian civic life and sociology. Reducing this work to a bedroom manual ignores one of history's most comprehensive records of ancient civic duty, household economics, and human behavior. The Kama Sutra followed an extensive historical predecessor, Babhravya's sprawling, multi-volume treatise. Babhravya's sprawling, multi-volume work operated on a massive, completely unmanageable scale, ultimately containing an overwhelming 7,000 individual chapters of ancient text. This volume created a historiographical crisis. The science was becoming Utsanakalpam, nearly lost to time because it was too large to be accurately preserved. Vatsyayana acted as an editorial engineer to save the discipline. He executed an exhaustive data compression process, filtering the 7,000 predecessor chapters into a rigid, highly organized 7-part grid. The resulting output was a mathematically precise, functional manual of exactly 1,250 verses. Vatsyayana used this structural rigidity to make the text accessible and immune to further editorial decay. He engineered the preservation of a dying science through extreme mathematical condensation. The Kama Sutra follows a hierarchy of 7 books, known as Adhikaranas. The first branch represents Book 1, Sadharana, consisting of 5 chapters and 5 topics. This section establishes the Trivarga, the mandatory integration of religion, wealth, and desire. Book 1 functions as a civic manual, outlining the duties of citizens and the 64 practical arts of an educated life. Book 2, Sampayogika, contains 10 chapters and 17 topics. This is the sole source of the modern misconception, the only part dedicated to physical union. Here the text maintains a clinical tone, categorizing unions by physical dimensions, time limits, and intensity metrics. Chapter 9 records unconventional practices as a taxonomic observer, logging human reality without applying moral judgment. Book 2 situates physical intimacy as one specific dataset within a larger, dispassionate civic framework. The text moves from physical union into the sociological structures of courtship. Book 3, Kanya Sampayogika, maps out across 5 chapters and 9 topics. The instructions focus on pragmatic details, like analyzing family backgrounds and building trust with a bride. It details Ingatakara Suchanam, the interpretation of nonverbal gestures in matchmaking. Book 4, Baryadikarika, contains 2 chapters and 8 topics. This section defines the domestic hierarchy, starting with strict protocols for a primary wife. It outlines diplomatic strategies to navigate tensions among junior and senior co-wives. Vatsyayana includes the sociological realities of widows navigating a complex domestic landscape. Books 3 and 4 operate as a corporate management manual for a household. The text then maps human behavior outside the sanctioned domestic sphere. Book 5, Paradarika, maps extramarital behavior across 6 chapters and 10 topics. This section provides a cold analysis of seduction vulnerabilities and the use of messengers. Book 6, Vaishika, focuses on the lives of courtesans through 6 chapters and 12 topics. This book presents a rigorous economic analysis of the profession. It details protocols for extracting wealth and managing client relationships. The text outlines risk management strategies for handling artha anartha, the severe financial ruin and professional hazards inherent to the ancient trade. By dedicating such significant space to courtesan economics, the text proves its commitment to comprehensive realism over moral idealism. The final section of the text deals with the esoteric and the occult. Book 7, Upanishadika, adds the final 2 chapters and 6 topics, completing the full model. These topics cover pharmacology, aphrodisiacs, anatomical modifications, and methods for reviving lost passion. Closing with pharmacology finalizes the text's ambition to be a complete science of the human condition. Together, these 7 expansive books fulfill Vatsyayana's ambitious promise to condense all of worldly knowledge into a single, highly functional manual. We can now assess the completed taxonomy as a single, unified structure. When we isolate the 17 topics of physical union against the 47 topics of civic and social duty, the disparity becomes clear. The final mathematical tally remains as calculated in Ancient Sutra 23. 36 chapters, 64 topics, 7 parts, and 1,250 shlokas. The data structure solidifies into a single condensed block. Vatsyayana successfully compressed 7,000 fragmented chapters into this indestructible format. Modern society continues to treat this expansive sociological achievement as a simple bedroom guide. The Kama Sutra represents a true masterclass in data synthesis, preserving the definitive sociological blueprint of ancient Indian society.